You're probably here because your lower back woke up today and chose violence. Yeah, same. I bent down to tie my shoes and my spine filed a complaint. So I went searching for a wear it and forget it back support. And that's how I landed on the Irries Restore Therapy Support Belt. I've been testing it during normal life stuff, sitting at the desk, walking, even those moments where you swear you'll just lift this one thing. First impression, it doesn't feel like medieval armor. The belt is lightweight, adjustable, and doesn't scream I'm injured when you wear it under a shirt. What makes this different from basic back braces is the heat and vibration combo. The heat kicks in fast, like you don't have time to ask, is this working before you feel it? The vibration isn't aggressive, but it does help loosen tight muscles, especially after sitting too long. In real use, I noticed temporary relief, not a miracle cure. Tightness eased up, posture felt more supported, and daily tasks became more comfortable. Walking, working, even relaxing felt better with it on. Now let's be real, this isn't magic. If you bend a lot, it can feel slightly stiff. And the auto shut off means you'll need to restart it if you want longer sessions. Also, wearing any support belt all day isn't a great idea. Your core still needs to do some work. So who is this actually for? If you want targeted lower back relief during everyday activities and you like hands-free heat therapy without booking appointments, this makes sense. If you're expecting it to fix serious spine issues overnight, nah, that's not how bodies work. Bottom line, the Irries Restore Therapy Support Belt is useful, comfortable, and effective for short-term relief as long as you use it smart. If you're searching for support without overcomplicating things, this one's worth considering, and that's the honest take. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.